Can't freaking see crap.
Don't
Who in
stand
the
up,
world
guys.
has a dart on the bottom of their weapon?
Don't worry.
Try to stay hidden. Don't just stand there. Get behind some cover or tree, something.
Jeez.
If you lag too much, I give you permission to stop broadcasting. Just record.
Fix your mic.
I'm broadcasting straight to YouTube, so it'll save on my YouTube channel.
I think you guys should just focus on winning for now.
Yeah.
All right, Screwdriver.
You check your map
Oh,
out.
hold up. I see
Some
I see
C4's been
people in there,
highlighted.
Echo.
Let's,
Yeah, just
let's
let
move
the
out.
people know we have C4s on a MSR near Bravo. Alright, let me go and let the people know.
All right, let's go, guys. We have cover
We
from the other
have
blueberries. Let's keep moving.
The MSR Bravo, just to watch out.
We have 3 C4s, the MSR Bravo, just to watch out. We need everyone on the front line, because they're going to start picking us off.
Our tank's by itself.
Jesus Christ.
Whoever's driving the tank is a moron.
Go ahead, Don.
Who is
Watch
Cow
it.
Killer?
Who is driving that tank? Oh my god.
All right, spread out along this area and watch across the river.
Copy.
Avoid streak up there in that sniper. All right, avoid that sniper team.
I hear an MAV.
That's
They're
friendly.
loud, right?
That's friendly, man.
Make sure any person with an explosive is prepared just in case we're being watched by any sort of vehicle.
I have claymores. That's it.
We should get up on those rocks to the right.
Sure did. We should have done this on the roll, but through the system bullshit.
God, there's no cover here.
Oh,
How about right here?
Are there reinforcements coming?
Where
'Cause
does have
now we're
one,
outnumbered
too?
by 4.
A lot. I'm just following Gunslinger.
Why is our whole
There's
team
no
on our side?
You guys need to spread out more. You guys are awfully clumped together.
I hear a Mav.
Friendly map. Check your map.
This is some bullshit.
Damn.
Assassin is gonna come in.
Do we have any positions on these guys?
No, because
I've
our
got
whole
visual.
team's on this side.
I've got
I'm
visual.
taking my infantry troops forward.
I've
We're
got
going
visual
stealthy and
sniper.
tactical. We're gonna take these guys out.
Guys, I've got visual. There's a sniper. He's aiming at me.
Where's your position?
Take him out. Suppress him.
He's too far.
Where
give
is
me
he?
your area.
He's hold on to me. Coming up. Oh shit.
Let's run.
He's by Alpha.
I got smoke, right side.
Alpha. That's
That's
not.
me. That's me. I threw smoke because the sniper was aiming down my way. You could see his flare.
The glider.
Smoke.
Do I have permissions to take my troops forward?
I don't have any eyes on these snipers. You need to show me exactly where he's at, because I have a DMR.
Do I have permissions to take my
I got a machine gun. A sniper shooting at me. Spraying, too.
Suppress them, guys.
I don't see him.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Open fire.
They're on
You
the
guys
tree.
don't clump up. You
res
see
me,
this?
res me, res me,
You
res
guys
me,
are all
res me.
clumped.
Res me. I got him. He was on the tree. He was inside the tree.
Which tree?
Unclump,
know.
unclump. You guys, get off that rock.
Roger.
Alright, wait a minute. He just... Did he get rezzed or what? Or he left?
on Charlie. Gunslinger.
You said move us by the trees at Charlie.
Trees on Charlie.
Yeah,
They're
we need to move up to the left. It's this way too open.
Trees on Charlie. Gunslinger. In the trees on Charlie. Gunslinger.
Does anyone know who I killed?
No,
Negative.
don't
We'll worry
worry.
about it later, man. Because
Alright
I
guys,
didn't
keep
know.
your eyes
It doesn't
forward
matter.
towards Charlie.
I wish I had a 4 times thermal. Anyways,
Anybody else hit that vehicle? Is it ours or?
that's friendly, LAV. That's assassin. Hey, we should move up. This is like, it's too open.
I'm taking my team up towards Charlie. Alright guys, let's move up. Stay spread out. Very wide ranger column, okay? When we cross this river, 2 people cross at a time, everybody else covers.
I'm
Copy.
covering.
Alright, I got you covered. Two people move, go.
I'm crossing with OG. Let's go.
You guys are super out in the open. Unless that's the.
Alright, when you cross, say it.
Set.
Set.
Alright,
What's
2 more,
your-
go.
Oh no, boys, move. Alright, stack up over here. Next to me and Kyle are next.
Alright, get me some cover while I move.
Move.
Alright.
That
Everybody
Move
else
up
just
to
go
you,
ahead
move
from the
up.
back, just
Check
move up. We have enough
stairs.
cover up there now, just move. Avoid the top of hills, guys. Stay
We got
low
cover to
and
the
slow, alright?
Mortars.
The gunslinger die?
No, I'm right here.
Where?
no,
Dude,
I got killed,
Over
but I
there.
got res, and I think that guy didn't get res since he was on the tree.
Oh, yeah, I forgot your blueberry.
hey yo, gun. Who's gonna take over?
We have a
After you.
C4.
What do you mean take over? Is Bradley down?
Guys, we're still clumped up.
No,
No,
I'm here.
if you die.
If I die,
Guys, you're clumped
Speedy,
up
you
like
go ahead
this
and take
for a mile.
Alright, I'm not in, but I'll.
Enemy or friendly Mav? Friendly, never mind.
Friendly.
alright guys, let's push up.
That's an enemy, man.
No, it isn't.
Friendly
It's
Mav.
friendly.
It spotted C4 on the ASR.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, we can't
Alright,
move
I'm
across the.
I got kicked or booted or something.
Because you died? They resurrected you.
I got res.
They obviously don't like reses, so just don't get killed at all.
You gotta be kidding me right now, right?
Obviously not, Bradley. You got kicked, so there's
That's
your
a bunch
proof.
of crap. No, I'm not gonna do that.
There's nothing you can do. You can't get
Yeah, I
back in
can.
once they kick you.
I'm gonna see if I get kicked. I've been banned from the server. That's
Enemy C4 over there in the road. You guys see it?
I've got eyes on, I can load it up and try to blow it up. But that'll reveal my position.
Alright guys, stop getting so close to me. Spread out. One mortar round will kill every one of us.
Hey, I got banned
I'm
from
moving
the
up with you guys.
because I died, but I looked on their team and the guy I killed is still there, so what's going on? Yeah,
Oh, I hear something.
Don't worry about that, dude. This puppy, sorry, yes. Goddamn.
Gunslinger.
Yeah.
Gunslinger, this is a war, right?
Take
What?
screenshots of your kills.
This is a war? A war?
Yeah.
Oh, then this is a battle. And wars last more than one battle.
Yes, they do.
So, if they say that,
And, yeah,
then
pretty
you
much,
tell them to fuck off.
by them breaking the terms that we'd already preset, they'd already forfeited.
Alright, let's go. Push up. Let me look at the map here really fast.
Who parachuted?
I wasn't even killed yet.
Let's push up to Alpha from this side. There's a big team over there at Delta moving up towards Alpha. Let's move to Alpha from this side of the road.
My video is going on YouTube, so just watch it from there. But, yeah. Hey, can somebody broadcast this?
Look how 3 different people said I
Contact,
am.
where's that contact coming from?
That's
Some
the
sort of
only
enemy
thing.
vehicle. Oh, is it friendly element?
That's friendly.
They're still shooting at something. Get ready for contact.
My bad.
Cuh. Don't stick to me, stick to your squad.
You should try and switch to our server, see if we can get it in.
Mortars.
I agree with that, because since I know these guys are a bunch of crap little baby kids that don't know how to run a Milsim, I'm not going to sit there and fight someone that doesn't even know what
So go to Bradley.
Mortars coming from outside of Alpha, it looks like.
servers, and have them join us so they can't kick it.
Auto.
Bradley, are you there?
You see anything, Gunslinger?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just a little bit
Maybe.
peeved the frick off. That,
Yeah,
I
you
got
see
red.
those? You see those buildings out, just to the left side of Alpha?
Yeah.
Yep.
I think I saw movement in one of the doorways, and then he went back in.
Yeah. How about we go from the left side?
Oh,
wait,
I'm on the
there's taking fire left side.
Mortars on the
Take
rooms.
cover.
They're not going to listen
Anybody
to
need
you.
health?
They got-
Does anybody need health?
Negative.
Negative.
That's a bunch of crap.
Somebody
person I
ripped a
killed
machine
still
gun
alive.
off this helicopter. One of the machine gunners.
You move who you got that?
Enemy LAV shooting in our direction. Stay low. We can't go down that way. We have to cross here and then push up on the
How about we
flank of
cross from the
Alpha.
left side?
Fall back. No, it's not.
It
You can
is.
see it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Shoot it down?
Yep.
Where's
it at?
No, try it if you got a good shot. There's multiple mobs.
I'm using a
Hey.
suppressed pistol.
Don't.
Choose your
He's-
shot.
I-
Once it starts to slow.
It might be distracting us, guys. Don't focus on just that. Always
I'm
keep a
sending this guy a
360 moving
message.
perimeter.
Oh my god, I'm going to send this kid a message.
Bradley, remember when you speak for the whole Milsim. Because you're one of us. When you send a message to one of them, you can send a message from all of us.
Oh, I know.
Alright,
I'm going
'cause
to tell
you're
them
a
they're a
member
bunch
of our
of cheating.
Milsim.
I'm telling them they're a bunch of cheating bastards, and they know it. And
I have somebody
everyone
watching my
agrees with me.
broadcast.
Bradley,
right now.
don't say that. Bradley, if you say that, you're speaking for the 11th. That's making it look bad.
I'm speaking for on behalf of Jarhead and Warlord, and they all agree with me on that one.
We still have left on the ground.
Have you talked to him about that message?
Read
Have
what
you
they've been
told them?
saying. Read what they're saying on Zilla.
Ask them first. Don't just assume. You know what they say about people who assume.
Here, I'll even show.
Whoa.
You wanna?
That was nice.
Alright, let's
wanna
cross this
cross
road.
the
Set
river
up
on
a road crossing. Oh, whoa. Hit the dirt.
It's a river, not a road.
They got something shooting big over there. It's probably an LAV or a tank.
Did we got C4?
No. We don't have anything to take out tanks.
Claymore. We got Claymore.
That's not enough to take out a tank.
Yeah, I know.
We
How
lost
many
our
people do
tank,
we have
didn't
left in
we?
the game?
18. They got 20.
Win this for
Alright,
us.
guys. Rush this road. Let's go. Let's go. Nobody's watching. If we get shot, we get
Where
shot.
you at?
Pay attention, Ka. You're in this squad. It's your job to pay attention to everybody else is.
I'm taking
I'm
it.
trying to stick with you the whole time so I know where we're going.
Oh, someone got killed from the left side.
Hey, move who, go.
I hear
Push
you.
this way. Let's go.
Go. All right, cover me.
Okay, moving.
Set.
Okay.
They're all set up at A, so we really need to watch what we're doing now, because they're all set up at A.
Alright, there's a big open thing over here. Just watch for snipers. Sit here for a
There's no
second.
snipers.
There were at least
we
two,
probably
so
need to
unless
breach
Street
and
killed them
clean
all.
this building.
Move across this
Hey,
opening
they're
fast.
shooting at our LAV, so why don't you,
I should go around the backside. Don't go around the front side.
we got our sniper and move it up right here.
Jarhead, maybe we should go back from behind these trees over there. So a little bit further back.
Alright, let's just, yeah, you're right. Let's push back behind this rock, cross over by that big tree over there, and then try to push back along that way. Alright. But they definitely have a sniper. Or we have a sniper.
We have a friendly sniper. We have Hey, they're suppressing them real hard, so yeah. They got mortars
Hold up,
up on them.
everybody fall back, fall back.
Friendly
Stay, fall
UAV.
back, hold.
Don't have them spot you, because when they spot you,
What the? Oh, that's assassin. He's stuck.
Alright, I'm gonna move. Uh-oh.
is that a tank? Yep, that's their tank engaging our LAV.
I don't know, but we need to move before that LAV draws attention to us.
Yeah,
Let's go.
we just lost Geo. We just lost Geo.
Oh, we're getting
contact
shot
you.
at. We're getting shot at.
Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving.
Shit, I'm down. I got killed by the tank. Can you get me up? Oh, I got kicked. Yep.
Told you. I told you.
Yeah, they're not
Yeah, 'cause
playing.
you got killed.
Everybody stay low, prone from now on.
Did you get killed? Whoever got
They
killed?
got mortars on our
I'm seeing
position.
gunfire. Oh, that's a tank. That's a tank. Otto.
Boo, you're gonna get kicked anyway.
I got kicked. Oh, I got banned. Sorry.
They got an MAV. They got an MAV. They got a MAV.
Why are they doing this? Such cheating bastards.
Oh,
Okay,
my.
you know what? I'm gonna save a video and the ban, and you guys can, you know.
Okay. Otto, move back, move back. They've got a tank up there.
I got banned.
Fuck this shit, dog.
No, they're not.
That's
They're a bunch of cheaters.
because, yeah,
They're cheating us about what?
They got an MAV.
Keep fighting.
No, all they are is a bunch of cheaters. So I swear to God, the one time I hear that they sit there and say they beat us fair and square, I swear to God I'm going off on them, no matter what. I don't
Bradley,
care.
keep it calm. We still have people on the field. Let them
Otto, I'm
concentrate.
moving.
Speedy, take over.
Hey, I found that Mav. He's going
Yeah,
up
it's
and
like
down
right here,
above
boys.
assassin.
Yeah, we might want to move back or something because they're gonna come over here and.
I hate
What?
cheaters.
My question is, what is he doing? Get out of the. Somebody tell Assassin to get out the LAV. It's lost.
Hey, don't worry about the MAV. Just keep falling back for now.
I'm moving with you, boys. I'm by the river. I'm down by the river.
I'm watching all those broadcasts. That's
Copy.
all
Who's with
we
me, Speedy?
figure out. What's going on?
Yeah, I reported the servers, so if anyone wants to do that, I got kicked through the same.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Otto. I'm gonna move left, see if I can find a decent piece of cover that we can move over to. Okay, moving.
I'm taking fire.
Speedy?
Yeah, they got DMRs and mortar army. It's come because of this
Oh.
movie.
Really? Really off first sight? Speedy?
Yeah, they're cheating.
Yeah, they got DMRs and
Take a screenshot of that flare.
It's come because of this movie.
Really? Really off first sight?
I'm down.
Speedy?
Yeah, they're cheating.
These guys aren't
Let's
good.
see if I can get away with respawning.
Take a screenshot of that flare.
Watch this. Watch me be able to respawn.
I'm down.
They respawn, I swear.
Yes. No. I
How many
respawned.
people are left in the game? Who? Auto?
Yes.
I have a question. After this, can we do an op? Left in the game.
server.
Well,
I think.
I
I
wanna
joined on
think. I
someone
wanna
who was
think
on
that guy.
Operation Outbreak. I'm not sure it was the actual server.
I wanna go ahead and think.
Have them join us
I
next.
told you, don't get into it.
Don't worry, it's only one battle. We lost that one. We only lost the battle. We won't win the war.
It'll just piss you off. It's a waste of time.
What? So if they join us, we're not gonna lose.
Not if they join on a server that
My
Because they can't
question
kick
is,
us if we get
where are
res.
our reserves? Where are they at? Like
The herbs.
those reserves.
who's still on the server? That's in the party.
My bad. Stop being.
How can you send videos to each other?
What
Is
you
it
do is
popular?
you know the share button, tap that unless you've got it changed, but tap the share button and then go to video and it should be there.
Hold on.
Ghostler, are you recon?
No.
No, there's only
Oh, are
Facebook,
we set
Twitter,
up on this
YouTube,
server?
and Daily
No.
Motion.
No, we're just.
That's it.
I just came in here so I could shoot things.
I mean, can't you send it to someone?
Alright, I'm joining on our server, I guess.
We going to our server now? Good.
If it's a multi battle war, then they gotta come to us next.
Yeah, they came from behind us at that one point. That was.
The fact that they're using flare sites, though,
Why
that's
did
what
Street
made me
kill you?
mad.
Oh, you're on our server here, man. Somebody invite Assassin.
I was.
Not me.
No,
Your
man.
stream is trash.
I stopped watching after you got shot. I didn't want to watch it anymore.
I saw
I
you
just
get
wanted to
bodied.
see what was going on in the war.